what is the next hidden gems in Africa. So I'm talking about undervalued agricultural venture and ideas that we could launch in sub-Saharan Africa. So I'm talking about crops that are not yet being discovered, or should I say it's undervalued. It could also be the product or value added for the livestock. It could also be fruit bearing tree or marine products. Yeah. So I'm gonna give you an example. In Southeast Asia, there is a root crop called Dioscorea alata. It is a tuber that is very becoming to be popular in Western countries as well as East countries like Japan, South Korea, and China. So this, some people say it is the next matcha. They call it ube in the Philippines, and it's becoming to be not just a trend, but a lot of investors as well as entrepreneurs are now deep diving and wants to get involved into this ube production. Okay, now in Africa, I did the study. You do have root crops, different species of this Korea, but it's more of white and yellow species, not the purple violet one in Asia, in Southeast Asia. So yeah, let me know if you have like undervalued or hidden gems. Not just root crops, but it could be anything, right? Maybe a different kind of vanilla or cacao or cocoa, or it could be some species of cattle that could produce different kinds of leather. So let me know. Like I said, the sky's the limit, and anything um is possible as long as it has potential, particularly in the global market.